I see it coming. So he's got enough slack in it now. If he gets all the way down here, you might touch him.
He's on the water doing a stupid thing. Is this supposed to go on that TV show, the World's Dumbest Videos?
Kinda.
House.
Kind of, you think so?
Parents. Josh. There's some more power lines. I love power lines.
I told you.
Keep going. Hey, I got this metal paddle.
Yeah, just lean to that side.
Let it go, boy.
Yeah, just let it go.
No, it's good.
Twist,
That buckle's
like you're in
getting it.
Hey, you gotta lean all the way to the front. There you
There
go.
you go.
Cheerio, mate. Cheerio.
Hip hip.
Yo, yo.
That's it?
Hit the bottom. Yeah.
You want it, Granny? Down the damn thing.
Let it go.
It's let go.
That's it? Oh.
Wow. Alright, we can take it down faster.
Hey, you just gotta put it up at a limb higher.
Once you get past the fear of how stupid this is,
Well, I know how you're going to get off.
it's that power line that catches you.
Yeah,
Wait, I gotta get that on video.
it's on video. Everything for the past 5-10 minutes.
That's bad. Alright, so,